Alright, so currently I really running out of ideas. So let's do this kind of weird battle. It is small wave cookie versus big wave cookie. Yep, cookie that creates small wave versus cookie that create big wave. Guess you all already knew it. The small wave cookie is mango cookie. And the big wave cookie the one and only Seafarty cookie. Round 1, with cookie only.
I'll guide you through this. Watch out for the might of the seas! Watch out for the might of the seas!
Round 1. Mango cookie win. Can Seafarty comeback win? Round 2. With treasure only.
If you look in front of us, we have enemies. Watch out for the might of the seas! Watch out for the might of the seas! Watch out for the might of the seas! No!
10. How she can win this? Seafarty cookie win. 1 round left. Who will win this battle? Round 3. With treasure and topping. Here we go.
Don't worry, I'll guide you through this. Watch out for the might of the seas! Watch out for the seas!
Wow, that was so close. Seafarty cookie almost win. But the winner is mango cookie. So Devsis, please buff Seafarty. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching.